Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. Today I'm going to do a quick little project. I wanted to use and showcase this printable that is from Madeline Diet Designs. She doesn't usually do printables, and when she showed me this I thought it was so darling. It's like a strawberry theme, and she recently made some strawberry themed journals, so this definitely goes very cute. But I love the theme of strawberries any time of year, but especially like right now when I'm already ready for spring crafting. I actually have such a cute journal pack, or it's a journal kit that's strawberry themed that I got a while ago from the Magnolia Seed, and I've been wanting to use it. I don't currently have time to do a whole journal project, but I thought I would take this and turn it into a little, like a folio that I can then use when I get to making the strawberry themed journal. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be so simple and hopefully pretty quick. And I was thinking I'm gonna use this paper bag as the base. And I don't have a plan, so we're just playing around and thought I would turn on the camera for you guys. So I'm going to flatten this out. This bigger than I wanted. So what we'll do is, I think I'm going to cut along, just going to cut along the already folded line. Like that. I can clean up anything that's not straight a little bit later. And I think I'm just going to fold this in half this way. Like that. Oh, I could make it taller if I wanted, but actually I think I'm going to take my trimmer. I'm telling you guys, I really don't have any plans specifically for this, so I'm just going with it. Just clean up the edges at least. Hey, look at that. I can use this as my little trash or recycled bin. Okay, let's actually, I was thinking this would be so cute for the cover, so let me see. We'll do like 6 inches, I think. Whoops. Yeah, something like that. Okay, then let's get some ink for the edges. Just gonna ink up the edges slightly using Pine Needles ink. I feel like the green kind of goes well with strawberries. And she already has the edges inked up like on the printable, but I always find that when I'm using a printable and I cut it out, adding ink really helps it not look like a printable. So, okay, so I'm thinking something like this, but I want to go through because there's a bunch of cute little pieces and see what I would also like to add. Like this one was so cute. Maybe. There's a bunch of really cute little snippets. I really like this one too. Ooh, this one. This is the one I was kind of looking for. Okay. Yeah, I sort of like the idea of having a little pocket. And then again, just add the ink. All right, so I think I'm going to glue this on. Let me get my glue. Sort of like a pocket. So I'll just add glue around 3 edges like that. Okay. And then I think I am going to to add this as like a little pocket on the front. So then we're going to go just like this. I'll put a link to this printable down below as well. Like I said, it'd be so cute if you were doing a strawberry themed journal, or if you like strawberry themed projects. There's that. Okay. Yeah, I like this, how, so on the printable, she had like this little lace tab, and I think it's so cute as like a tab. So I cut it out like that. But sometimes, which I'll do right now, I will take lace, grab my scissors, get a little piece of lace, and I'll just add lace to the places that have lace on a printable. I cannot find the end of the lace that I'm, okay, wow. If only you saw the mess that I just created trying to find the end of my lace. So what I mean is, since there's a tab there, then you can either cut it off, or you just place the lace where it was like on the printable, if that makes sense. And for this one, I'm just going to staple it on. Like that. Okay. And I just printed this on printer paper. Yep. Okay. Sort of like that. Okay, this is already so strawberry theme. I don't even think I'm going to put this in the pocket, but oh boy. Trying to think if I want to put one of these in the pocket. Oh, maybe actually something more like this, but I think, yeah. What if we fold it in half? And I kind of just want to fill up this whole little thing with all of these pieces. There we go. I like that. Okay. Then, so we'll open it up, and now we can decide too if we wanted to like sew this shut, which I think I'm going to go ahead and sew around just the bottom. And I'll just do that real quick with you guys off to the side. And then it's sewn shut down there. So then we can use the top for pockets if we wanted. But I think I'm just gonna pick out a few little pieces that I want to put as like a background to start with. Sort of thinking that, I kind of like the idea of using this, so this is like a tag, but I was thinking if I put it on here like halfway, then it's like a little side pocket. And let me grab a circle punch, or my tab punch will be fine actually. And I'm just going to do a little half circle like that. Ink it up. Just a little bit. And then, yeah, this is going to wrap around like this. I think that'll be good. So then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. I really just need to do it on the bottom here and the top. And then I'll do it for this side too, since it wraps around. Okay. And if it is uneven a little bit where I folded it, but we can fix that. I think I'm gonna do like a staple or two down here. And then just one in the center, like that. Just trim that up a little bit. Then over here, I think I'm going to put this as a little side pocket. I gotta remember which way is up. Okay, so like this. And you have so many pieces to work with. I like how it's like the pockets are made out of the elements, but then we're filling the pockets with more elements, which is kind of fun. I'm thinking of putting a clear pocket over this area. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure I have one someplace. At least I thought I did. Is that too big? I don't have any, I normally use these and I like the smaller size, but I don't have any. And I guess these are attached, so I'm just going to cut those down at the center. Put this right there. Actually, that works fine. Oh, what I didn't think about, guys, is that then okay, this needs to be trimmed a little bit because otherwise we are closing off our access to the side pocket too. So that's fine. I'm just cutting that. It'll still be a little like side tuck sort of thing. Okay, I think that's okay because then I can like put a few things in like this. In fact, I think I'm gonna like add this little snippet as like a tab. Sort of like that. Staple, staple. Yeah, then it's way easier to pull out when it has a little tab. Okay, then we have this pocket. Fill it up with a few of these elements. Okay, since this is a little bit taller, I'm going to use this in one of the pockets. In fact, I think I'm also going to sew down the center just real quick because that will separate those two pockets. Yeah. All right, then, yeah, I'm going to put some of the taller things in here. This is a really tall tag, and I think I'm just going to fold it a little bit. I don't want it to be that tall, but here's another thing that we can do that I like to do with printables is find a hole punch wherever it might be. Kind of like this bright pink. Well, you can either do a hole punch and then just add some trim to make this actually be like a usable tag. I'm just going to staple it though. Yeah, like that. Let's see. Yeah, then it's just barely peeking out. Maybe I like it better over here actually. In this little side pocket. Okay. Almost. Yeah, I think I like this better. And then that's still kind of peeking up. Oh, and my kids are just coming home, but we're almost done. That's okay. We can basically fill this up Sorry guys, I'm just gonna keep going because we're almost there. And basically we can just fill up all of these places. I'm gonna put a couple facing this way too so that everything is peeking out at the right spot. And then even on the back, and we have so many more things that we could use for like decoration, but I think we'll just finish it up like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this extra little video. Such a cute little kit, and I think Maddie did a great job putting it together. All right guys, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.